son Riley came from Galway town in the years of Irish hunger, and he sailed away to America when the country was much younger. The place was strange, the work was held, and all he knew was farming. So he followed his other Irish friends for a job in the US Army. Adventure calls and some and run, and this is their sad story. Some get run for demon run, some get run for glory. Texas way to the banks of the Rio Grande, and they built a fort upon the banks to tall St. Annie. They were treated bad, and paid worse, and then the fighting started. And the more they fought, the less they thought the devil's US Army. Adventure called and some and run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk on demon rum, some get drunk on glory. Now when the church bell rings on a Sunday morning, it sets the soul to shiver. You saw the senoritas wash their hair on the far side of the river. Riley and 200 more Irish mercenaries. They crossed the lot, right or not, south of the Rio Grande. Adventure called and some and run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk for demon run, some get drunk for glory. Now they fought bravely under the flag of the San Patricios, till the Yankee soldiers beat them down at the Battle of Churubusco. 50 men were whipped like mules, and the chiefs had an iron branded. They had to dig the graves of 50 more who were hanging, faint in hand. Adventure calls and sun and run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk on demon run, some get drunk on glory. Now John Riley stands and drinks alone in the bar at Veracruz, and he wonders if it matters much if you win or if you lose. I'm a man who can go home on a vagabond, says he. I'm a victim of some wanderlust and divided loyalty. Adventure calls and some and run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk on demon run, some get drunk on glory. Adventure calls and some and run, and this is their sad story. Some get drunk on demon run, 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 and some get drunk on glory.